Hello, guys, and welcome back. This is your boy Khoto, and yeah, we're just gonna do a top-down analysis for the GBPJPY for the week dated the 19th of June till the 23rd of June 2023. This is very basic. How I analyze, I start from the weekly just to see the direction and I see the direction there. We have a big bullish candle there, and these blue lines here, these blue horizontal lines, are zones that I marked out based on these 2015 lows and that break of structure there. Let me just zoom in and show you that break of structure there. This one right here. So excuse me, also in 2015. Um, All right, so we have a big bullish candle there. We opened the week at 175 and we closed it at 181, 800. That's a 600 pip week, guys. Like if you just bought on Monday and you're still holding over the weekend, you're seeing massive, massive, massive profits. Okay, let's go down to the daily. So what do we see on the daily? Um, as you can see here, we have we have four, sorry, we have four bullish candles out of the week. Out of the four bullish candles, we have three big bullish candles. However, according to my personal experience, whenever we get such a big push to the upside like this, the pullback is very minimal. It's very minimal, guys. For those of you who use the Fibonacci, you'll know what I'm talking about here. We would just take our Fibonacci from the high, sorry, from the low to the high of this big push here. And coincidentally, this pullback, as I said, it's very minimal, coincides with the level here that I've identified here with the purple box. Yeah, so that's what I see, guys. We will see a slight pullback and then we will head all the way up onto 184, the 184 level. Um, Personally, on Mondays, I just check to see what the market is doing, then I take it from there. So I rarely trade on Mondays, but I do. So down to the hourly, guys, as you can see, we closed with a bearish candle and a shooting star here. Um, but basically, if we go down to the 15 minutes, you'll see what exactly is going on here. There was a little exhaustion towards the end of the session. But yeah, guys, if we go back to the 4 hourly, that's what I see. I see a slight pullback. If we don't get a slight pullback and we just continue going higher, I will wait for a 4 hourly close above 182 to start going long. But according to my personal experience and how I trade this pair, and my experience with this pair, I am waiting for a pullback. Let's see what the fundamentals have for us in the coming week. Um, excuse me. On Wednesday, the 21st, we have the CPI for the JBP. That's um, your inflation for the GBP. And a quick lesson. When the inflation comes in higher than expected, it's good for the currency. But when it comes in lower than expected, it's bad for the currency. Why do I say this? It's very simple, guys. If the prices of goods are increasing in an economy, it basically shows that the economy of that country in question is doing good. However, if the prices are going down, it shows that there is a evidence that the economy is slowing down. However, inversely, it is very bad for you as the average Joe on the street if inflation keeps going higher, because that basically means your 100 rands today won't buy as much as it did yesterday. Okay, I hope that clarifies it. Let's see what else for the JBP. And on Thursday, we have the interest rate. The interest rate, this is the prime lending rate that the central bank will lend money to to your banks, your standard banks, your African banks, your net banks. Um, Also, a quick lesson here, if the interest rates are high, if the interest rates increases, it's also good for the economy. Why? Because think of it this way, guys, even you as a person, you would invest your money where the highest interest rate is, right? So if this country has a higher interest rate, you will logically pull your money out of rands and put your money into pounds because of the high interest rate. That is why it's good for the economy. Inversely, it's bad for the you as the average Joe in the streets because now, if you have loans and credit cards and all those short-term debts, it just simply means you'll be paying more. And I hope that clarifies it. And that is basically it for next week for the GBP news. We have your inflation and your interest rate decision. Um, Trade safe, guys, and let's see how the week comes through. I will update as the week goes on, and I'll also show my trades as well. Thanks. Bye.